So the first one's very similar to the lesson, nothing different really there. Let's skip down to where we have multiple rows, okay. Like here. What goes in the boxes? They want down here, complete the table above with relative frequencies using percents. So they want percents. You gotta read the directions. Gotta read the directions, right? Otherwise, it'd say, well, they want fractions, decimals. What do they want? Okay, so how do I get the percent for 12? Okay, does that mean convert 12 to percent? No, right? So we want to do 12 over what? 51, right? 12 over 51, and what is that as a percent? Here's where you need the calculator. Punch it in, convert it.
0.335.
And as a percent? 25? Percent? Okay. And that's rounded. Okay, put the percent sign. What would this one be? Republican. Somebody said it. It's the same thing. Yeah. If this is 12 out of 51, this is going to be 12 over 51. Yeah, same thing. And that makes sense. Here we go. Go ahead and put in, what's 24 divided by 51? 24? 24? Alright. Go back to 24. And that means this one's also 24. And 24 over 51 is 47. Okay. Now, is this correct? 24 plus 24 is 48. So it is correct. It just means there's a rounding error. If we did this to the nearest thousands, it would add up really, really close. But we're doing, really basic rounding. So that's why it's happening like this. So when you get this rounding, you can do two things. You can either say, there's a rounding error, or you can go to more decimal places, and then you won't have that rounding error anymore. Okay. So finish it up. 15 divided by 51. What percent is that? 49? 29. Okay. This is 24. I already know that because we did earlier. So you can see how I can reuse some of this. 27 divided by 51 should be like 53, and 29 plus 24 is 53. So that's pretty good. Okay. What's 47 plus 53? Yeah, that's good. For doing percents, you really want this to add up to 100%. That's everybody. Okay. What about these? What do these add up to? 24 and 29. 53. And what do we get here? 24 divided by 51 is 47. And that adds up and equals as well. There we go. So I got to use a little bit of shortcutting. Not shortcutting, but just, well, I already did this twice, so when I had to come across and do it again, it was okay. And I already did 27 over 51 here, so, or over here, whatever one you did first. So, and there's actually 24 over 51. So there's a lot of repetition in this particular problem. That doesn't happen all the time, but when it does, it's nice because you can Either redo the calculation, make sure they match, or skip through the calculation, trusting you did it right the first time. Not too bad, not too bad. Okay. Alright, so that's about it. Let you guys do 8. It's based on this one. It's a little bit bigger. You got 3 languages, a boy and girl. So we gotta convert all that. What does it say to round to? Thousands. How many decimal places is that? 1, 2, third decimal place. So when you get your percentages, they should be, like 24.3%. There'll be 3 numbers in your percentage. Other than that, that'll be about it. Okay, we'll do a little activity before the bell rings if there's time, but other than that, I think that's all there is. Okay?